In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a listing title on eBay. Crafting a perfect listing title is one of the most crucial steps in ensuring your item gets noticed by potential buyers. Your title is the first impression you make, so let's dive in and learn how to make it count. To start with, you need to open the listing form on eBay. This is where you'll have the opportunity to provide all the details about your item. Starting with the title. Opening the listing form is easy. You simply go to eBay's homepage and click on the Sell button. This will take you to a new page where you can begin entering your item's information. Once you're on this page, you'll notice a section specifically for the title. This is arguably the most important part of your listing, as it will determine whether potential buyers click to learn more about your item. Next, focus on entering your product name in the title box. Think about the most straightforward and concise way to describe what you're selling. Make sure it accurately reflects the item to avoid any confusion or disappointment. For instance, if you're selling a Nike running shoe, these should be the first words in your title. Starting with the product name ensures clarity right from the get-go. Once you have the product name, it's time to enhance your title with strategic keywords. Here's where you can get creative yet remain informative. Include essential details like the brand, size, and color of your item. Keywords are how potential buyers find your listing in a sea of other similar products. If you're selling a Nike running shoe in size 10 and red color, go ahead and include the brand Nike, the size 10, and red in your title. This will help your listing appear in searches relevant to your item, increasing its visibility and attractiveness to the right audience. After crafting a detailed and compelling title, it's time to save your work and continue. Make sure to review what you've written. Ensure there are no spelling errors or incorrect information. A well-written title can often make the difference in attracting buyers, so it's essential that everything is accurate and complete. Once you're satisfied, click Save and then Continue to proceed with the rest of your listing. By following these steps, you'll end up with a strong listing title that's both clear and enticing to potential buyers. It's crucial to take the time to carefully think out your title. A well-thought-out title can draw interest and ultimately drive the success of your sale. Remember, your words are your best tool to market your product effectively on eBay. Thank you for joining me today. Good luck with your eBay listings.